Good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, YouTubers. We're going to be looking at a third brake light slash cargo light for a Ford Ranger. And here it is. It's made by Partsam Lighting Accessories. Okay, I picked this up on Amazon for about $37, I believe. Let's see what we get. Obviously, we get the light. At least I would hope we got the light. It's got like a smoke lens over it. And I think the middle LEDs are the red ones for the brake light, and the end ones are for the cargo light. As I smash it on the counter. And we get a rubber gasket, and I guess that's it. I don't think I've ever had mine off of there. Alright, let's go install this thing and see if we like it. One of the reasons I like this one is because instead of plastic, it says it's polycarbonate or something. It's probably just a fancy name for plastic. But it sounded expensive. But we'll see how this works. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this is what we're replacing. Yeah, it looks a little nasty, doesn't it? Alright, let's get this thing off of there. Okay, removing this should be fairly simple. Just 2 screws. How simple can that be? Oh wait, don't ask that when you're working on a car, because it'll be 3 hours of some other pain. Okay, then yank the screws out of there, and oh, there's 3 wires. Oh, okay, never mind, there's 1 connector. Okay, I feel better now. Huh. Evidently, when I had the Joker paint this, he didn't take this off to paint this, did he? I guess he did what I said. I said paint the top and the doors base coat, and the top coat, or whatever that's called. Can't think of what that's called. But he didn't take that off, did he? Oh well. I'll clean this up a bit. We'll slap that new one on there. Just kind of undo that connector, put the new connector in. They look like they're about the same. And we'll see what we got. Okay, I got that all cleaned up. And here on Earth, we call that clear coat, the top coat layer, base coat, clear coat. Just in case y'all didn't know that. Okay, since I didn't read the directions, I'm assuming that when I peel off that little sticky part for the gasket, that goes on the truck side. But I don't know, I didn't read the directions. I have all this nonsense back in there. I guess that's going to make a good seal. I'm not real proud of that at all, because it doesn't like... Maybe I'll put the screws in it, it'll be just fine. Okay, after just a slight bit of finagling, it's on there. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter if there's a little bit of a gap in there or not. I mean, that rubber seal should seal it as long as water can come out of the bottom of it. I guess we'll have to check on that. I'll have to take it off and put a bead of silicone or something in there. Hey, it looks pretty good. Let's see if it actually works. And there you go. Come back out and check it at night and see what I think. It looks pretty good. It's better than the other one did. Alright, we'll come back when it gets dark. Okay, so here we are with the third brake light at night. It's bright enough. I think it's brighter than my other one, the incandescent. It gets the job done. That's all you need. Alright, and here's the cargo light. It's there. I mean, it's not. I think my other one, the standard one, incandescent bulbs in it, was a little bit brighter, lit up more of the bed. But it does what it does. I mean, it's not. If I wanted to be a lot of light back here, I'd just get those LED strips that go underneath the bed rails here, and I'd light it up like Christmas. But don't really need that much light. Overall, I'm satisfied with this one. I'll put a link in the description to it, and we'll catch you on the next video.